Alright guys, I just got to drop another video this morning because I just clicked on this link right here just to see what they're talking about now, since they want to keep on with this little Blitz call and these campaigns pushing this stuff in your face. Well guys, it starts off with a video, a clip that they generated through AI, and it is packed with lies, guys. I can't stand this junk. This right here is false advertising straight up. And this is something that the SEC needs to see. This is something that the Texas State Securities Board needs to see, because they are continuously pumping out lying content and advertisements about Texit Coin, Iskander IDMC, Bobby Gray, and all these clowns, man. Let's just step through this, guys, because it's like I couldn't even get past the first minute without looking at it like, what the you talking about? But let's just look at it, guys. See what they're saying.
Did you miss out on the Bitcoin bandwagon? Or worse, you've been burned by hype, speculation, and broken promises?
All right, let's pause there. People, you have not missed out on Bitcoin. Check out the previous video, which I just released a little while ago, and I'll leave a link to it in the description, and even at the end of this video I showed you guys how the price of Bitcoin continues to go upward. You're buying right now, you're buying at a dip. It might go down a bit lower. That's the perfect opportunity to buy. This is how money is made, guys. Don't buy when the price is at the top. You buy when the price is down. Hold it, wait for the price to go up, and then you can take some returns or continue to ride it up in future cycles. Guys, you have not missed Bitcoin, okay? Because right now, yeah, it might be 70-something thousand, but when it reaches 1 million and beyond, you're going to be looking back like, dang, I wish I would have gotten in at 70,000. Don't let these clowns convince you that you've missed out on the opportunity of Bitcoin. Understand the asset that you're investing in, and you will be a lot more comfortable investing in it, okay? And then they're saying, hey, tired of the speculation and broken promises. This is 100% of what Bobby Gray and Texit Coin have been doing since his launch. He's been making many promises. Go out to Texit Raiders channel. Hit him up anytime. I mean, Texit Raider is a cool brother. I've talked to him personally on several occasions. And if you reach out to him, he's going to give you guys the real deal. He documents it in some of his videos. And even most recently, he shared this stream TXC, how they lied about that. Talking about it was not censored. Well, it's 100% censored. He paid to have his video put out there. They removed his video and they didn't give him his Texit Coin back. All right, so check out his videos, and he has plenty more Texit Coin videos out there if you want to just verify for yourself, right? Check out his videos as well, guys. These are 100% broken promises. In addition to that, Bobby Gray still owes Texit Raider like $30,000 in commissions that he never paid him, and he kicked him out probably because he started talking to me, leaving comments in my videos, vibing with me and partnering with me on certain things, right? So Bobby Gray don't like him, and because Bobby Gray didn't like him, he suspended his commissions and stopped and banned him from ever getting commissions from Texit Coin again. This is what you're dealing with here. And talk about speculation, guys. In my previous video, we just talked about how Bobby Gray manipulated the price of Texit Coin. It is a complete speculative token. No value whatsoever at the time. Even now with the utility they're building, guys, in order for something to generate income that's going to boost the token, you have to have utility that people are actually going to use. You can't be dropping no utility just for the sake of dropping utility and nobody's interested in it, right? So Texit Coin, Iskander, all of this stuff will continue to be speculative. So they're starting off this video asking you questions. Hey, you're tired of this? You missed the Bitcoin run? You tired of broken promises? That's what Texit Coin is all about, guys. Man, this is ridiculous. Check it.
What if this time could be different? What if you could own a piece of something built on real honesty, unbreakable transparency, and the genuine mission to restore honest money to the world?
What makes this unbreakable? Guys, we see that in my previous video again, his system is filled with exploits, but they're advertising this as honest money and a system for honest money. Guys, you better stay away from this. Let's keep looking.
As a proud member of the Iskander Digital Mining Cooperative, IDMC, we're not chasing another pump. We're rebuilding what crypto was always meant to be: useful, trustworthy, and owned by the people who build it. The mission of IDMC is clear: move from speculation to substance by rebuilding honest money through
Move from speculation to substance. So they even admitting here, guys, that everything was just speculation, because it is. That's all it is, guys. And for them to migrate from Texit coin to this IDMC co-op company, guys, this is not going to benefit you. Think about this. You're going to put in $1,000. You're going to get one vote. Bobby Gray, his family, his friends, his cohorts, or whatever the case is, they all have many, many, many votes. So your little one vote, and even if you combined yourself with another 100,000 people, your votes are not going to compete with theirs. So they will always be able to dictate and say what is going to be done with the money, right? And if they choose to put some money in the token, they have more tokens than you. They can pump the price just for their own benefit, guys. To pump the price, dump their tokens, have the price right back where it was. They walk away with money, and then they come back to you, start advertising these crappy videos again and say, hey, keep coming in, give us more money, and you're going to get this. Guys, I told you, it's a money grab. It's a money grab, all right?
real-world proof-of-work mining.
Real world proof of work mining. This does not make it legit, guys. If you want proof of work, go to Bitcoin. Hell, go to Bitcoin Cash. Right? Go to Litecoin.
Community ownership and radical transparency.
Oh, okay. Stop. I gotta stop. Radical transparency. See, I can't even get through a whole sentence without coming in and elaborate. Okay, let's talk about radical transparency. Let's talk about it. Okay. Bobby Gray, let me ask you this question, bro. Did you pay your taxes from that 140 million that you received last year? Have you paid taxes on that? Have you gotten the identities of all of the participants that invested in Texit coins such that when you paid them their commissions, you issued them a 1099? I don't think you did. As a matter of fact, I'm pretty much sure you did not. And guys, if you don't know or realize, check this out, man. I'm gonna just go to a chat GPT and show you guys something, because what if someone is required to send a 1099 and fails to do so? Check this out, guys, because there's some significant penalties. Here, the IRS says penalties for failing to file. And keep in mind, Bobby Gray hadn't gotten any of the information on people that participated in Texit coin, nor people that were receiving commissions. Failure to send the recipient a copy. Failure to send them IRS. Recipient is still required to report the income even if they never received. So you guys that have received your money, your commissions, all them thousands of dollars you're making, I hope you also reported your income, because if you didn't and the IRS finds out about it, well, you're gonna be in hot water. You might as well start setting some of that money aside to pay. All right, so what are the penalties here? I didn't see it in there. What are the penalties? Give me the penalties, Chat GPT. Yeah. So I'm trusting you to get it. Okay, here we go. Ooh, oh, that looks bad, guys. More than 30 days late, but by August the 1st, That is $130 to $140 per form. If this information is correct, we can't say ChatGPT is 100% correct. I know it's not, but this is just a golf ball figure to go off of, and we can do our research beyond this, right? After the 1st of August, that price goes up to $330 to $340 per form. Now let's think about this, guys. They've been saying, there's 50,000 members you guys got. And, they could be all throughout the world, but I'd say the bulk of them are in the United States, guys. Now, let's say just 10,000. 10,000 are in the United States. Just 10. And it's going to be more than that. Let's say 20. That's a more realistic number out of 50. 20,000 people. And by this time, we're past 30 days. Tax day was on April 15th or something like that. Or for company, it wasn't a company because everything was under Bobby Gray. So he had to file by April 15th, 16th, somewhere around there, right? So we have 20,000 people that he did not issue a 1099 for, that he was required to. And if he had to pay $130 per form, that's $2.6 million, guys. And if he doesn't start reaching out to you guys, getting your information, filing this, reporting it to the IRS, and giving you your 1099, that's going to increase, almost threefold. Now, keep in mind, guys, this is just the penalties for not issuing these 1099. Think about his tax liability for $140 million that he received, guys. Dude received over $140 million in revenue last year. Was it $140 million? Them a lot of zeros, ain't it? And let's say the IRS, we gonna low figure this, right? We just gonna say, hey, if they just took 30%, it's gonna be more than that, but 0.3. So out of all that money he got, he gonna have to pay at least $42 million, then tack on another $2 or $3 million for the penalties and whatever else he hadn't done, bruh. So in this transparency right here, you're talking about this radical transparency. Did you pay your tax bill? Where is all that money? I got another question. What'd you do with the money that you had sitting in Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, gold, properties? What are you doing with those assets? Where are they? Did you put them in this IDMC? Where's the transparency, bro? Hey, how much are you paying your legal team? Where's the transparency? And where's that money coming from? Is it coming from your pocket? Is it coming from investor capital? Where's all this money coming from, and where is it going? We see you over there chilling in Singapore, got your wife over there now. Y'all having a nice little time, having a ball over there, getting out of the United States to avoid regulatory pressure. But you need to be wiser than that, man. You need to just go and return your tail here, answer the consequences, and do like old boy did with that Goliath Ventures. Once he found out the SEC had something on him, he just came on back and he snitched on everybody else, because that's going to be a lighter sentence for him. Well, Bobby Gray, while you out there running, man, whatever come to you is going to come. And people, if you guys continue investing in this stuff, there's going to be a chance that you do not get your money back. Now, the regulatory bodies that are out here, they're going to try to recoup something on behalf of the investors. But if this guy, Bobby Gray, keeps running, hiding, not paying his taxes, not doing this, not doing that, using up all of the money, so by the time that they do catch him, he's going to be dead broke. And none of you guys are going to receive anything back. These are the dangers that you are going to encounter by investing, by watching crappy ads like this that are 100% false. And then this guy continues after this and has the nerve to talk. Guys, man, this is a complete nightmare. And I highly recommend do your research in depth. I mean, they've already been blasted by regulatory bodies. What more do you need to hear, guys? All right, that's all I got for you. I'm not gonna even go on anymore because it's a long commercial and it's packed with lies and deception. I'm just gonna end the video here. Peace.